on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life. My name is Min. I have been doing nails for 15 plus years, and all I really want to do is share with you all my experience, all my knowledge, so that you can become an amazing nail tech. Why? Is because I know there's a lot of struggling nail tech out there, y'all. If it's easy, everybody making money and keeping all them clients, right? But you know how many clients complains about how bad nail techs are out there? There's a lot. And my goal is that you don't become that bad nail tech. So today, I really want to show y'all something. You ready? I want to show y'all how I did this beautiful color ombre. This client came in, she was like, I want pink tips with some nude ombre on it. So I was like, okay. So we went in, we got the pink, you know, from Glam and Glitz Blend. And after that, what we did was we took the Young Nail Rosebud Nude and we're gonna cover and blend it up. And for those of y'all don't know what an ombre is, literally two color blended together on a set of nail. And you can do this on gel polish too, but I'm gonna show y'all this in color acrylic. Okay? If you're able to execute a ombre or even a color ombre, ooh, the client's gonna love you because they know there's not a lot of nail tech out there can do an ombre. And if you can do it, they gonna love you for it. Let's get it, yo. So look, y'all know I used the Young Nail monomer right there. As y'all know what kind of monomer I use, because I told y'all in the last video already. I only use Young Nail and CND retention, yo. The Glam and Glitz Blend Pink that we picked for this client is right there, okay? Check this out. When y'all start applying the first coat for the ombre, y'all need to go in 3/4 of the nails. The reason why y'all need to go in 3/4 of the nails is that y'all give it room to make that blend nice and fresh. If y'all go ahead and put like the pink just halfway, when y'all start blending, it's gonna look mostly the blend. Y'all won't see the color, okay? And if y'all go ahead and put the first base all the way to the cuticle, then y'all ain't doing no ombre no more. So don't do that, okay? If you're gonna do that, there's no room for the blend. So check this out. As I am applying 3/4 of the first color onto the nails, okay? I'm gonna make sure the top of the first color is kind of faded out. So in order for you to do that, you kind of have to go in with the monomers and you kind of have to brush a little bit more towards the top of the first base. But as you are doing that, you're going to make sure all the color kind of shift towards the front. You don't want to like brush so hard and take the whole acrylic off and gotta redo it again. You don't want to do that. But what you want to do is you're going to brush it nice and slowly so that it can just kind of like get right into the top, so that all the colors concentrated to the top, so that when you do the blend, you can see the color. You know what I mean? Look how I'm patting it down. Okay, look at that finger right there, yo. Look at that. I'm gonna just go ahead and fill up the nail. That's how I do it. I'm gonna fill up all the spots that need to get filled up on the first coat. And I'm gonna dip in the monomer, and you see how I just kind of feather brush the top, and if I feel that I'm feathering too much, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more acrylic. Okay? There's no right or wrong in this moment. As long as the client seeing you do an ombre, they are so happy, yo. They don't even care how you do it. They literally be like, oh, I got an ombre, because I know a lot of nail tech don't do no ombre. Duh. Come on, you know there's a lot of nail tech cannot bust out an ombre. There's only a few I see, okay? I'm not gonna try to be here talking smack and all that. But anyway, back to the tutorial, y'all. So look, what you gonna do is you gonna keep doing that nice and smooth. Get the surface smooth, y'all. Get the surface smooth. If y'all gonna make the first coat all bumpy, you gonna set yourself up to have a bumpy road on your finishing up the set, okay? So don't do that to yourself. Do you see how I make the first coat smooth? Because if I make the first coat smooth, imagine how the blending go. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the first step of the ombre, okay? I'm pretty much done with that. Now, I'm gonna go in with the nude. And I told y'all this in the beginning of the video already. The nude is by Young Nail Rosebud. And I tell you what, y'all, if y'all are doing ombre, y'all only do one type of nude to blend for every single color, something's wrong with you. Something is literally wrong with you, okay? You go on and get the Young Nail collection. They have different grades of nude. It's gonna help you out for different colors, yo. But anyways, back to the tutorial again. Don't get me started, yo. So what you're gonna do, look how nice the blend is. It's literally like you're doing a backfill. You know, it's literally you're doing a backfill. So once you got the first color set up, you're gonna go in with the second color. It's like you're doing a backfill. How simple is that? But check this out. If you feel like your ombre is not blending perfectly, go in with some more powder and kind of just drizzle it down, yo. That's it. And here's the trick. When y'all do color ombre, wherever the first base of the line is at, try adding your first blended ball or blended bead where the line's at. Okay? There's no such thing as like a one ball method in here. Okay? Do what works for you, boo. Okay? So what you're gonna do is if you see, okay, so what I'm trying to say is, okay, look at the next finger. Okay, look. See what the first line? I'm gonna put right on top of that line, yo. If you put it right on top of that line, you pretty much took the line away. Now, you see how nice the blend is? And after that, you can go in with the second bead to cover up closer to the cuticle. You see what I'm saying? That's how simple it is, yo. And look how pretty the blend is, okay? That is really simple. And then look. You see how I just add some more acrylic? It's because if I don't feel like the blend is evenly. And yes, yo, when y'all doing an ombre, make sure the blend is even on every single finger. There's unnecessary roughness if you gonna add one finger long blend, the other finger short blend. That is no way, Jose. No way, okay? So look, I wanna make sure the blend is perfect. So at this point, y'all relax. Don't rush. Get it right. That's all. Okay, I ain't rushing, but I had to speed up the video so that I can get y'all the whole tutorial, okay? And look how I'm gonna put it that blend. See, I put it right where the lines are. It's just gone, boom. There goes no more lines, so you just continue to blend. So look, y'all, after this, that's an ombre for you. Of course, you gotta file, get the shape right, cuticle and all that, but look how easy the blending is, guys. But that depends what color you use. If you guys are doing black or white, that's a different ball game. And I have more tutorials for y'all on those kind of color when it comes to ombre, because those are the harder colors to do when it comes to black, white, or purple. But at the end, look at that, yo. Look at her nails. You see how nice the blend? And look, I'm gonna show you how it looks after the top coat and all that, okay? Because man, look at that. She was a happy camper, yo. She was like, here's your tip, here's more, and more, and more. But anyways, yo, that's how simple it is to do that type of ombre, okay? But when you guys are doing ombre, just be careful with the colors. If you guys are dealing with dark color, gotta think about colors that will blend with that. Don't be like going dark colors and next thing you know, you're using like something that look clear, you can see through all the colors. Don't do that to yourself. But at the end of the day, ombre is so easy. It's literally a 2B method, and all you have to do is blend it together. The client's gonna love you because not a lot of people can execute an ombre, so they're gonna keep coming back to you, and that is another way of building your client, is really giving them something that they never have. And if you really enjoyed this video, leave it down in the comment. Let me know how it was. Did you learn something? And please subscribe to the channel. Please, and hit the like button if you like this video. And if you really want to learn how to cut some good cuticles doing a manicure, pick this video. I'm out, yo.